How to change your clothes and customize your character in Dunk City Destiny. Just like this, if you want to change your head, you could also do that. You could also change your top right here. You could also change your back right here. You could also change your hands right here. So if you do want to do this, what you have to do is make sure you are on your lobby. Then once you're on your lobby, I know you want to change your clothing and this could be very hard, but I promise you this is super easy. And if this video does help you, make sure you do like and subscribe. So what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to scroll down and you're gonna have to go through all these options right here. You're gonna have to click on the second option right here. As you guys can see, it said closet right here. Just click on that. Then once you do that, as you guys can see, you have many options you could choose from. For example, starting with the t-shirts right here, you have many t-shirts you could choose from. You have different colors, different teams. For example, this is Orlando Magic right here. You could also go down. You could go with this the Kings jersey. You could also go down. You have the Hornets. You could also be LaMelo Ball, or you could switch it up. And now you are SGA with the Thunders. You could also click over here, go on heads. You could click on different items you could choose from. For example, this nice little panda. You can also click on this nice little lion. Click on this fox right here. Click on this hat. Click on this cap. Click on this hat, click on this white shark. You have many options you could choose from. You could also go on your face wear. You can also change your glasses, the way you do this, the way you do that, the way you do this. You have many options. For example, you could also go on top. You could also choose from here different clothing. For example, this clothes right here, the hoodie. Choose from this another hoodie. Little lifeguard vest, also fire. You can also choose from this little top, this little summer rivalry. You basically have nothing on. This right here, top, fire. This right here, top again. You keep going, you have top again. It's so amazing. I love this. You also have this nice little vest. You can also click on back. Start picking from here. You have many options you can choose from. As you guys can see, if I turn my character on, you have many bags you can choose from. You can also click on hands. You can put any hands, anything you want. It's like gloves, little gloves. You also have bottoms right here. You could put any bottoms. A lot of bottoms you could choose from. For the shoes, you need to be level 20. As of right now, you cannot just change it. So you're going to have to go with default. Special, you could do with anything. But once you're done, what you have to do is you're going to have to click on the save option right here. Just click on confirm. And as you guys can see, you just saved everything you just had. So if this video helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. As we see how you change your clothing in Dunk City Destiny. Thank you for watching.